Let's draft and refine your personal value proposition, step by step. Hello there, I am Georgie from Mentivia. We've learned what a personal value proposition is and why it's so powerful. Now, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get practical. This video will guide you through the essential activity of drafting your first PVP and then refining it to ensure it's truly compelling and effective. This isn't just an exercise. It's about crafting a statement that truly represents your professional best. We'll walk through each step with examples and prompts designed to help you clarify your strengths, align with recruiter expectations, and express your value in a way that feels authentic and persuasive. By the end, you'll have a PVP that's ready to use and ready to impress. The first step in this activity is to write your initial draft. Remember the three-part template we discussed earlier? I am a title or role with expertise in skills or domain who helps target audience or employer achieve result or impact. Use this as your foundation. Don't aim for perfection right away. The goal here is to get all your ideas down on paper or screen, capturing the essence of your professional identity, your key skills, and the value you bring. Think of it as a brainstorming session for your personal brand. Once you have your initial draft, it's time to put it under the microscope. The first critical question to ask is it specific and jargon-free? Your PVP needs to be easily understood by anyone, regardless of their industry knowledge. Avoid overly technical terms or acronyms that an outsider might not grasp. Instead, translate your expertise into clear, accessible language. Specificity helps paint a vivid picture of your unique contributions, while being jargon-free ensures universal comprehension. For example, instead of saying, "I leverage synergistic paradigms to optimize B2B SaaS solutions," which is full of jargon, you might say, "I help B2B software companies streamline their sales processes to increase revenue by 20%. See the difference? One is vague and confusing, the other is clear, specific, and immediately conveys value. Always test your language for clarity and directness. Next, evaluate if your PVP includes impact or outcomes. This is perhaps the most crucial element. Recruiters and clients aren't just interested in what you do, but what results you achieve. How does your work benefit others? Quantify your impact whenever possible. Did you increase efficiency by a certain percentage? Reduce costs? Improve customer satisfaction scores? Even if you can't provide exact numbers, use strong action verbs that convey a positive change or achievement. Think about the so what of your contributions. If you say, "I manage social media," the impact isn't clear. If you say, "I manage social media to increase brand engagement by 30% and drive 15% more website traffic," now you're talking about tangible outcomes. This demonstrates not just your activity, but your effectiveness and the value you bring to an organization's bottom line. Finally, and this is a big one, could someone remember it after 10 seconds? In today's fast-paced professional world, you often have very little time to make an impression. Your PVP needs to be concise, punchy, and memorable. If it's too long or complex, it will be forgotten. Imagine you're in an elevator with a key decision maker. Can you deliver your PVP effectively before the doors open? To achieve that memorability, practice saying your PVP aloud. Does it roll off the tongue? Is it easy to articulate? Try it on a friend or colleague and ask them to repeat it back to you. If they struggle, you know it needs further refinement. Shorten sentences, choose stronger words, and ensure every word earns its place. The goal is a powerful, sticky statement. By systematically drafting your PVP and then rigorously applying these refinement questions, is it specific and jargon-free? Does it include impact or outcomes? Could someone remember it after 10 seconds? You will transform a good statement into a truly great one. This refined PVP will be a powerful asset in your professional toolkit, helping you to confidently communicate your unique value and open new doors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to visit Mentivia.com, where you'll find a wide range of educational e-learnings, videos, and articles, all completely free. It's your go-to resource for deepening your understanding across science, history, and more. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way.